Introducing the next generation GMC Sierra Denali with the Multi-Pro Tailgate, the most innovative tailgate ever. Not only does it have best-in-class cargo box volume, plus more tie-downs, bigger corner steps, and better lighting than the previous Sierra, the Multi-Pro Tailgate has 6 functions that adapt to your needs like no truck before.
What this tailgate really says about GMC is the ingenuity and the creativeness of the engineers behind it.
The primary gate opens with the touch of a button or when activated by the key fob. The built-in load stop helps keep long items secure. Flip the inner gate down for closer access to the box. It converts to a step, supporting up to 375 pounds. Drop the inner gate for a second tier of cargo with a load stop. Drop the load stop, you're set for a perfect work surface. The box also includes a 400-watt outlet. We also pushed the limits of innovation to make Multi-Pro extremely durable. It's the most tested tailgate in GMC history. Ready to help you work, play, and live like a pro. The GMC Multi-Pro Tailgate.